Hey everyone, and welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever seen one of those AI-generated videos where a person is talking, and the longer they talk, the more their face seems to morph? This is a very common problem in the field called identity drift, where the AI model gradually loses the character's original appearance over time. Basically, small errors add up with each new segment of video it generates, causing the person to slowly drift into someone else. Existing solutions often involve using keyframes as rigid anchor points, but this can make the animation look robotic and requires extra, complicated steps. To solve this, researchers from KAIST and Imperial College London have developed a clever new technique they call Lookahead Anchoring. Instead of telling the AI that the video segment it's making must end up looking exactly like a specific keyframe, they give it a keyframe that's far off in the future, beyond the current window of generation. Think of it like driving with a GPS. The model isn't just focused on the next immediate turn, but on a destination much further down the road. This future target acts as a constant, gentle guide, always pulling the animation back towards the character's true identity without being too restrictive. The AI is perpetually chasing this future frame, which keeps the character looking consistent over very long periods. One of the coolest parts of this is a concept they call self-keyframing. This means they can just use the original reference photo of the person as the permanent future target, which dramatically simplifies the whole process. When they tested this approach on 3 different state-of-the-art animation models, the results were dramatic. As you can see in these side-by-side comparisons, the baseline models without this technique suffer from clear identity drift, while the look-ahead anchoring versions remain incredibly stable and true to the original person. The technique also introduces a fascinating new level of control over the animation. The distance of the future keyframe acts like a dial. Placing the target closer strengthens identity adherence, making the face very consistent. Placing it further away allows for more motion freedom and expressiveness. They found a sweet spot that maximizes both lip sync quality and natural motion. But here's where it gets really exciting. Because the future target doesn't need to be perfectly synced with the audio, they can use any image as the anchor. For example, they used an external model to edit the reference image and make the person smile or look to the side. By feeding this new image in as the future target, the AI naturally transitions the character's expression to match the new mood, all while keeping the lip sync perfect. This opens the door to creating dynamic, narrative-driven videos. So, to recap the key points, this look-ahead anchoring method prevents AI characters from melting by giving them a constant future target to aim for. This makes the animations more stable, more natural, and easier to generate. It also provides a new way to control the trade-off between consistency and expression. This could be a game-changer for creating realistic virtual assistants, believable digital actors in films, or any kind of long-form content with AI-generated humans. It's a huge step towards making these digital characters not just talk, but stay true to themselves. That's all for today on Summarize Science. Thanks for watching.